I'm Karen Clark.
And I'm Al Harpum, and together we're the husband and wife team and founders of Edward Albert Design.
And we're here in our shop in Fresno, California to introduce to you our inspired line of mid-century and contemporary furniture, lighting, architectural, and decorative hardware.
Our goal is to bring fresh and innovative products to contribute to the history of contemporary and modern design.
Our furniture is high quality, and we've developed many of our products to flat pack and ship worldwide and assemble with no tools. These are just a few of the many designs we've created over the past few years.
We offer a new concept to the versatility of furniture design. For example, one of our coffee tables, called the Pulse, is made of professional grade material and has a proprietary locking system. This allows for an interchangeable base. The user can assemble or disassemble the base in about 5 minutes for a completely different look.
Our liquor stations were designed to complement a contemporary or Scandinavian decor. These are also high quality and designed to flat pack and ship worldwide and assemble with no tools using our proprietary locking system.
Our first set of 7 and 8 foot lamps were handmade in our shop, with detail being our main focus. We've used the best powder coating, plating, and the highest quality lampshades. 2 of our prototypes were inspired by Greta Grossman's Grasshopper. Her contributions to the modern design industry has greatly inspired us.
One of our 7-foot tall lamps is made of steel wire and tubing, is brass plated, and has a fabric drum shade that's made of black linen. We call this the 7.
Our Ascend lamp is 8 feet tall, powder coated white, and also made with steel wire and tubing. The lampshade has a contemporary design with dual angles.
Our black electron lamp has 4 legs, stands 7 feet tall, and has a nickel-plated steel shade on a custom pivot. It's powder-coated black with a wire and steel tube frame.
Our silver electron also stands 7 feet tall with a classic 2-tier shade. The frame has a nickel-plated sphere with 4 fine wire legs.
Another facet of Edward Albert is our line of decorative and architectural hardware. We spent a full 6 months on this project because we love this aspect of our design. We have over 7 prototypes of doorknobs, 30 knobs and pulls, and 10 curtain rod finials. What you see is a very small portion of what we've made. Al made all of these prototypes in our shop using his lathe and mill.
So in 2010, a mutual friend of ours invited us to his barbecue so Karen and I could meet. We were talking and we got on the topic of art and then design. And I explained to her that I had developed nearly 100 Art Deco and mid-century salt and pepper shakers about 15 years ago. And to her, this was intriguing. So I invited her to my shop in hopes that she would be interested in marketing with me.
When I saw what Al had created, I was completely blown away. I had never seen anyone with the amount of creativity and depth that he had, and I was very interested in working with him. But a week into working with Al, I realized that there was something very wrong with him. His skin was yellow and his eyes were yellow. He was barely getting any work done in the shop. And I realized right then and there that he was a complete alcoholic.
That's when she fired me. She said I wasn't up to the amount of work it was needed to build a business, and she was right. So I was very motivated by that, and I made a promise to myself and to Karen to stop drinking right then and there, and I did. Was very sick and wasn't really doing that well, and Karen had taken me to her doctor, and I called her every day to thank her for her support, and at that point, I truly believed she'd saved my life.
We began working in the shop creating our line of architectural and decorative hardware, and as our friendship grew, so did my feelings towards him. I'd never met anybody that was as kind and generous. Working in the shop was where I was the happiest, and we later got married.
And we continued to produce our lines. 10 years prior to us working together, I would go home every night, draw in my journals of furniture and lighting and accessories and everything I loved about design. When Karen came into the picture, she basically was a catalyst in making all of these dreams come true. Between taking care of family and working our regular day jobs, we spent every evening, weekend, and holiday developing and building our lines. Now, after 5 years, we're ready to bring our vision to you.
We've invested our own money for all of the equipment and materials used to create our prototypes, like the ones that you just saw, as well as many others in inventory. We aren't working with anyone else. Now we're looking to license our design to manufacturers, but before we can do that, we need your help. We need additional funds to continue the legal process for patenting the rest of our designs, develop our website, and repair our equipment. We are offering lots of thank you gifts for your support.
Along with t-shirts, we have our X and Nova Salt and Pepper Shakers made from aircraft aluminum and anodized for food grade.
We also have our 18-inch tall Mesmera vase with hand-blown opalescent glass flowers by award-winning glassblower Bob Kliss. The aluminum base and lighting feature were created by Al and I.
We are also offering our 7 lamp. A special handmade production run of 20 will be made by us in our shop in the exact same way that the original 7 was made. So come on, backers.
With your support, we can show that no matter how far someone falls in life, they can get back up and create something beautiful to share with the world.